Hello viewer, as I already know that you are able to use Google Drive and open a Google spreadsheet. You see that I have already opened two Google spreadsheet, and in this video I will show you that how you can convert this Google spreadsheet specific portion to PDF. So for this you have to first check that which is the print area. Go to file, and from here you can see that choose print option. Then from the print preview you can understand that is it portrait or landscape, this is the paper size. So this thing you can fix from here. Then click on the next. So this type of screen will appear. From here you can save as PDF. Even you can choose the printer. So if you choose this option, save as PDF, then click on save, then give the file name and save, then it will save as PDF. Another method I will show you. This was the one method. So the second method is go to the file, go to download, then PDF document, download as PDF document. So in this way you can also download the file as PDF. As you see that the file is downloading. So the theme is same. You can convert to PDF by applying these two methods. Thanks for watching the video.